How do I enter restricted stock unit sales in TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Restricted stock units or RSUs are offered as compensation in the form of company stock. When you receive RSUs, you don't actually own the shares until they vest or are available to sell, and when they do, they're considered income. A portion of shares are withheld to pay income tax, and the remaining amount goes to the employee who can sell them at any time. Vested RSUs are reported as ordinary income, usually in box 1 of your W-2. If you sell your shares, you'll get a 1099-B that reports any gains or losses. With your return open, search for 1099-B and select the Jump to link. Then have your 1099-B and W-2 handy. You'll need them for this section. When you enter your 1099-B, follow the screen to enter your sale info. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.